Hello everyone, welcome to Vedavartha. This side Harsh Tyagi. I am working as a data scientist from last 3 years. Today we are here to discuss the topic on backbone of statistics. What is that? That is mean, median, and mode. Today we are able to understand how we are using mean, median, mode in daily life without even knowing it. Let's go deep dive into it. So the basic topic inside the measurement or central tendency when it comes to statistics is mean, median, mode. And when we go more deep, it was range, variance, coefficient of variation, and standard deviation. So today we will learn how can we use mean, median, mode in machine learning, deep learning, and how the developers or data scientists using it in machine learning algorithms, regression, clustering. How? See, so the mean is we able to understand this from class 8. Like the mean is the total of all the values divided by the number of values. Whereas median is the middle number in a list of number ordered from lowest to highest. And the mode is the value that appears most often in a set of data. So this is clear. This we know already. So in this video, we will learn how they are using this in real life. The perfect example for mean is placement or a restaurant. I will show you how. See, there are a list of students from student 1 to student 12th having college placements in lakhs. Student 1 having college placement of 5 lakhs. For example, he is placed in Cognizant. Student 2, he is placed in TCS, and so on. But we can see student number 9 and student number 10 having placement of 50 lakh and 45 lakh. So now when I calculate the mean of all the students, it comes around 11 lakh. So this is what colleges shows when they want more students for the next year. This is how they fool us. The average placement is, we can see from the data, is 5 or 6 lakhs. But when we calculate mean, the mean comes to 11 lakh. So it will increase around 4 to 5 lakhs. So at that time, college using mean, they are doing right. They are calculating mean. They can show us the data that we are calculating the mean. But that we need to understand that this is the mean, not the median, not the middle value. This is the mean that they are calculating. So only 2 students got the placement above 50 lakh or 45 lakh. Otherwise, all students having average placement of 5 or 6 lakhs. So at that time, they are using mean. Now, where are we using median? Median we are using mostly when we are going to purchase a house. For example, I'm going to purchase a house, and in a certain area there are different houses, and the dealer told me at this area the house costs 500 or 25,000 per square feet, like that. So I can see one house costs 70 lakh, other house costs 25 lakh, 12 lakh, 30 lakh, 23 lakh, and so on. So at that time, if I will calculate mean, that will not work. At that time, we will need a middle value, so we can able to understand what the house cost actually. So if I will calculate median here, so it will come around 25. So this is the middle value. So like this, we can use median in real life. Now the last one and the most important one, that is mode. Now mode we use mostly in grocery shop or medical stores. For example, in Corona time, many people and every doctor is suggesting us to buy Dolo medicine. So whenever we are going to medical store and saying to a owner of a medical store, let let's up, can you give us one Dolo? Every day we are taking 2 Dolos. Our mother, our father. मोस्टली हम सब बार बार मेडिकल स्टोर पे जा रहे हैं, हम उससे मांग रहे हैं कि हमें डोलो चाहिए. तो हो क्या रहा है कि इससे मेडिकल स्टोर वाले को पता नहीं है, पर वो मोड कैलकुलेट कर रहा है. वो ये देख रहा है कि एक दिन में we are getting orders of dollar 10 to 15 times or 50 to 60 times as compared to Disprin or any other medicine like Betadine or something. So the in all the medicines, Dolo is the mod. So there we are using mod. So similarly, like this, data scientists use this in real life. For example, they are doing clustering. In clustering, they can cluster the data. For example, there is a question in data science. They ask, if you go to any mall, and how will you know that ketchup is there, or how will you know that surf excel is there? So at that time, there is a clustering, because you can see in mall, they try to arrange all the items of similar type in same area. If you go to buy a soap, at that area you can buy shampoo, at that area you can buy face wash. That's called clustering, and even mod. So that's what I'm, hopefully I'm able to help you teach properly. We will discuss this on further. We will learn about quartile rule, uh, and say range in data science, quartile in data science, half filled, full filled, like this, and so on. Thank you everyone.